Hey guys, this is Cameron. I'm going to be unboxing my Bass Pro order that just came in. Here's my box and my ice cold beer. Root beer I meant. And here is my stuff. Okay, here is our Bass Pro reel covers. This is a blue one for bait casters. And then we got some Zoom blackberry worms. Okay. We got some more of those. And then we have some Bass Pro Shops river bugs and bluegill. And then watermelon seed Zoom worms. And then we have 2 more packs of those. And the next lure is a Spro rat. And then we have another reel cover, blue again. And one more blue one. And another pack of watermelon seed Zoom worms. And then we have 3 black reel covers. And that is everything. Okay, here's all my stuff, guys. And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Saturday with my ice cold beer. Root beer I meant.